Antioxidants are compounds that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, contributing to overall health and well-being. Incorporating foods rich in antioxidants into your diet can support cellular health, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Here, we explore the top 5 natural foods known for their high antioxidant properties. 1. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are among the richest sources of antioxidants. They contain powerful compounds like flavonoids, anthocyanins, and vitamin C, which help combat oxidative stress. Research shows that the antioxidants in berries can improve heart health, enhance cognitive functions, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. For example, a study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that regular berry consumption is associated with improved memory and cognitive performance in older adults. 2. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, particularly varieties with a high cocoa content 70% or more, is loaded with antioxidants, especially flavonoids. These compounds are known to improve heart health by enhancing blood flow, lowering blood pressure, and reducing inflammation. Dark chocolate also contains minerals like iron, magnesium, and zinc, contributing to its health benefits. However, moderation is key, as it can be high in calories and sugar. Enjoying a small piece of dark chocolate can be a delicious way to boost your antioxidant intake. 3. Green tea. Green tea is celebrated for its numerous health benefits, largely attributed to its high content of antioxidants known as catechins. These compounds have been shown to improve brain function, support weight loss, and reduce the risk of heart disease. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition indicated that regular consumption of green tea is associated with a lower risk of developing chronic diseases. Additionally, green tea is a great alternative to sugary beverages, making it a healthy choice for hydration. 4. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green vegetable that is rich in antioxidants, including vitamins A, C, and E, as well as flavonoids and carotenoids. These antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting the body from oxidative damage. Spinach is also a good source of iron, calcium, and dietary fiber, making it an excellent addition to a balanced diet. Consuming spinach regularly may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, promote healthy skin, and support eye health. 5. Nuts. Nuts, particularly walnuts, pecans, and almonds, are not only a great source of healthy fats but also packed with antioxidants. They contain vitamin E, flavonoids, and other beneficial compounds that help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that regular nut consumption is associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular disease. Nuts are a versatile snack that can be added to salads, oatmeal, or eaten on their own for a nutritious boost. Conclusion: incorporating these top 5 natural foods into your diet can significantly enhance your antioxidant intake, contributing to better health and well-being. Berries, dark chocolate, green tea, spinach, and nuts are not only delicious, but also provide a range of health benefits that can help protect your body from oxidative stress and chronic diseases. Remember, a varied diet rich in colorful fruits and vegetables is key to obtaining a wide array of antioxidants. So get creative in the kitchen and enjoy the health benefits these foods offer.